doing, guys? It's Joe here at Jordan Bikes in Leeds, and welcome to the video of this lovely Honda CRF1000L Africa Twin. So this one is a 2017 on a 67 plate. It's a bike that we've sold previously and it's only done 8,440 miles. It's a lovely bike. This one is a DCT model as well, so there's no clutch, there's no gear lever. You just put it into drive and boom, off you go. Got sports mode as well on that, but if you do want to change gear yourself, there are some buttons. You've got plus and you've got minus where you can do it yourself. As standard, these come with the LED front light. You get daytime running light in the indicators. You also get adjustable traction control, which is there. Press it and adjust that. You've got 3 different settings and you can completely turn it off. And it also comes with ABS. This one's got the factory fitted heater grips from Honda. You've got the full 3-box Honda luggage as well, which all uses the same key as the ignition. You've got the lower engine bars. They're a brilliant bike. I've owned one of these myself. Roughly around 97 horsepower, so they do actually still move. You can adjust the seat to 2 different settings as well, so it's currently in the high one. And I think it looks ace. So lovely bike, fantastic colour scheme. They're a quick seller, so if you do want it, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or just give us a call. Thank you for watching, cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish. And we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.